Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today on a Monday. Yes, it's a Monday. New week, new puzzles. Monday, July the 17th, 2023. We have here a regular puzzle, the Sudoku Medium, and we have good news because we have also an additional with extra puzzles. These puzzles we have here in additional, yes. The first one is a ladder Sudoku. We have a 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Well, the 2 stars is actually a 0 star. It has 30 printed digits. The 3 stars is a 3 stars because it has 25, and the 4 stars has 24 printed digits. We have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cijferblok, in Japanese Sudoku. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. Half of these puzzles I will solve tonight in the evening, 4 of them. Why? Well, and why not all? Because it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, news of the day. Well, actually yesterday, as you know, the Wimbledon, we have a new winner. His name Carlos Alcaraz, not Alcatraz. The island Alcatraz, yes. No, it's Alcaraz. Defeats Djokovic. So I saw the match yesterday, and interesting, fascinating match. Yeah, 20 years old. So I think he will follow the footsteps of Djokovic. Alright, enough sporting news. Let's get started with this Medium Sudoku. Already 2 minutes passed. This one will be number. Come on. 6, 7, 6. Yeah. 6, 7, 6. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 29 printed digits. Should be easier than the 1 star puzzle in the additional. The 1 star has 27 printed digits, and for 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, maybe this one 30 minutes, 40 minutes. I do not know, we'll see. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, let me see which number can I pick. Well, we have here 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this column. Should be there. Well, what's happening with my yellow pencil? Alright, so 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, and now 3 and the 6. Well, we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next on the last column. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see 4 in this first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, 3. the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the most. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for the most. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7 and the 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So we have a 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the most. 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. Last column, one of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this big square. So no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here can also not be a 7 because we have a 7 in the middle row. So no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 in the last column should be there. 7, okay. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, first column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in third row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this big square should be there. Alright. 9, okay. Then need a 6 here. The 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Need a 6 there. 3 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing number in the last column is number 6. Here can be 6 because we have a 6 in this last row, so no 6 there. Here can be 6 in the middle row, so we have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 in the last column should be there. Alright. Cannot continue with the 6 now, need to wait. 2 missing numbers in the last column for the most. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the middle row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above the only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in that row, so the row between the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column between the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be there, and all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. Alright. How about the yeah. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the second column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there, and all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 1. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this column, first column, 5 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between the middle row, only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. and all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 5. All right. Then. Let me see. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so no row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the second column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column, so in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the first row, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 and 8, we have a 7 now in the second row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 5, number 7. Alright. Then. Let me see. 2 missing numbers in the first column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 8 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Told you. Faster than 50 minutes. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye-bye for now. And have a great and fantastic Monday.